100 examples of future continuous tense both in declarative and interrogative form. Here are 50 examples of sentences in both declarative and interrogative forms using the future continuous tense. Declarative or assertive sentence. I will be reading a book at this time tomorrow. She will be working on the project during the meeting. He will be playing soccer with his friends in the afternoon. They will be watching a movie when you arrive. The company will be launching a new product next month. We will be traveling to Europe during the summer vacation. The chef will be preparing a special dish for the event. She will be studying for her exam all night. He will be living in Paris for a few months next year. They will be exploring new hiking trails over the weekend. I will be gardening in the backyard at this time tomorrow. She will be chatting with her friend on the phone this evening. He will be biking in the park when the sun sets. They will be renovating their house for the next few weeks. The musicians will be rehearsing for the upcoming concert. We will be waiting for you at the airport when you land. The students will be attending a workshop on Saturday. She will be shopping at the mall during the sale. He will be jogging in the park in the early morning. They will be dancing at the party all night long. I will be cooking dinner while listening to music. She will be waiting for the bus at this time tomorrow. He will be practicing his piano skills in the afternoon. They will be discussing their plans for the upcoming trip. The workers will be building a new bridge next year. We will be hiking in the mountains during the summer. The chef will be experimenting with new recipes. She will be attending language classes during the semester. He will be taking care of his sick friend all week. They will be researching for their project during the weekend. I will be fishing by the river at this time tomorrow. She will be teaching yoga classes in the evening. He will be fixing his car in the garage tomorrow. They will be rehearsing for the school play in the evening. The team will be training for the championship in the coming months. We will be watching the stars on clear nights. The researchers will be collecting data for their study. She will be babysitting her nephew during the weekend. He will be helping out at the community center regularly. They will be playing board games during the family gathering. I will be painting landscapes during my art retreat. She will be participating in volunteer projects over the summer. He will be traveling to different cities for work assignments. They will be celebrating their anniversary with a grand party. The students will be collaborating on a group project. We will be enjoying the beach and the sun during our vacation. The chef will be working on new menu items for the restaurant. She will be learning to dance salsa in the upcoming dance class. He will be taking care of his garden meticulously. They will be cleaning the house before the guests arrive. Interrogative. Will I be reading a book at this time tomorrow? Will she be working on the project during the meeting? Will he be playing soccer with his friends in the afternoon? Will they be watching a movie when you arrive? Will the company be launching a new product next month? Will we be traveling to Europe during the summer vacation? Will the chef be preparing a special dish for the event? Will she be studying for her exam all night? Will he be living in Paris for a few months next year? Will they be exploring new hiking trails over the weekend? Will I be gardening in the backyard at this time tomorrow? Will she be chatting with her friend on the phone this evening? Will he be biking in the park when the sun sets? Will they be renovating their house for the next few weeks? Will the musicians be rehearsing for the upcoming concert? Will we be waiting for you at the airport when you land? Will the students be attending a workshop on Saturday? Will she be shopping at the mall during the sale? Will he be jogging in the park in the early morning? Will they be dancing at the party all night long? Will I be cooking dinner while listening to music? Will she be waiting for the bus at this time tomorrow? Will he be practicing his piano skills in the afternoon? Will they be discussing their plans for the upcoming trip? Will the workers be building a new bridge next year? Will we be hiking in the mountains during the summer? Will the chef be experimenting with new recipes? Will she be attending language classes during the semester? Will he be taking care of his sick friend all week? Will they be researching for their project during the weekend? Will I be fishing by the river at this time tomorrow? Will she be teaching yoga classes in the evening? Will he be fixing his car in the garage tomorrow? Will they be rehearsing for the school play in the evening? Will the team be training for the championship in the coming months? Will we be watching the stars on clear nights? Will the researchers be collecting data for their study? Will she be babysitting her nephew during the weekend? Will he be helping out at the community center regularly? Will they be playing board games during the family gathering? Will I be painting landscapes during my art retreat? Will she be participating in volunteer projects over the summer? Will he be traveling to different cities for work assignments? Will they be celebrating their anniversary with a grand party? Will the students be collaborating on a group project? Will we be enjoying the beach and the sun during our vacation? Will the chef be working on new menu items for the restaurant? Will she be learning to dance salsa in the upcoming dance class? Will he be taking care of his garden meticulously? Will they be cleaning the house before the guests arrive? These examples demonstrate the future continuous tense in both declarative and interrogative forms.
Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel English Grammar for You.